This week, Larian released HOTFIX number 4, and due to an unusual compiler issue, many folks could not start their game or had entire blocks of saves bricked. Today, Larian redeployed HOTFIX number 4. Hopefully everything is working okay for you, but if you're here, probably not. I was one whose game would not start. I did what was recommended, but with no luck. What did work for me was not documented on the website, and that was to try deleting all your temporary files. If you're still having problems, maybe this will help you too. Go to Start and type in or look for Run. When the Run dialog box pops up, type in %temp % and hit Enter. When the temporary files folder comes up, do a select all and delete every file it will allow you to delete, skipping the rest. Empty the recycle folder, restart, and try again. My game fired up right after that, and if you're still horked, I hope that helps. Good luck and cheers, stalwart adventurer.